Did you know that transmission failures may be linked to a lack of maintenance? In addition, did you know that inspecting the bolts on your flywheel housing to clutch housing is part of preventive maintenance? In this video, I will discuss preventive maintenance that you need to know for the transmission on your semi-truck. Thank you for joining us. I am Adam with TAT Express, an Air Force veteran and ASE certified medium and heavy duty diesel technician. On this channel, we discuss semi-truck maintenance and repair. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you'd like to share your experience, leave it in the comments below. Let's get right into this video. A preventive maintenance program is the best way to avoid an unexpected breakdown. I will share with you maintenance intervals by mileage and list items recommended for inspection. It is recommended to bleed air tanks daily to remove water and oil from the system to prevent contamination. Most semi-truck transmissions use vehicle air for different functions, which will increase failure if contaminated with water or oil. Another daily check is inspecting for oil leaks. There are some transmissions without an oil level or a temperature sensor. Inspect for any signs of oil leaking at or around the transmission. Inspect the ground in the morning daily. Inspect oil level every 10,000 miles. When inspecting the oil level, you want to remove the oil fill plug and ensure the oil is level with the bottom of the oil fill opening. If you must insert your finger to feel for oil, add oil because oil level is low. Most automated transmissions will have a sight glass on the side of the transmission. When inspecting for oil levels, just ensure that the oil is more than halfway of the sight glass. Every 20,000 miles, you want to inspect for air leaks, worn hoses and airlines, loose connections, and loose bolts. Check all bolts around the transmission flywheel housing to clutch housing. Ensure all bolts are correctly torqued to 45 foot-pounds for bolts using a lock washer and 53 foot-pounds for bolts using Loctite. Ensure that you tighten in a crisscross pattern. The transmission bell housing flange should be flush with the flywheel housing. It is also recommended that you grease all Zert fittings every 20,000 miles, which includes throwout bearings and Zert fittings on clutch forks and pedal shafts if needed. If equipped with a PTO, check all linkages and grease if needed. Also, inspect the shifter tower for excessive play. Shifter tower bushings may wear over time and cause excessive shifter play. Check and clean or replace any filter element. Check the output shaft of the transmission for excessive play. If excessive play is found, ensure that the yoke nut is properly torqued to 450 to 500 foot-pounds of torque. Every 40,000 miles, it's recommended to inspect the clutch assembly. Inspect for excessive wear by checking the wear indicator if equipped. Inspecting the position of the throwout bearing relative to the clutch assembly. If more than a couple inches, check the mileage on the clutch and history. Solo adjusting clutches should be installed with trucks equipped with a hydraulic clutch pedal. Finally, every 50,000 miles, it is recommended to change the transmission oil. Ensure that you use the correct oil for your transmission model, and upon replacement, be sure to examine the used oil for signs of excessive metal flakes or metallics, as these are signs of excessive internal wear. Well, there you have it, the complete maintenance interval to ensure your transmission for your semi-truck will last you a long time. Remember, most transmission failures can be linked to a lack of maintenance, so save yourself a headache and start maintaining that transmission. Thank you for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the information that we shared. If you'd like to share your experience, leave it in the comments below. If you'd like to schedule a visit at our location, call us at 972-225-3017. We're located at 4140 Langdon Rd, Dallas, Texas 75241. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and until next time, be safe.